everyone, welcome to Healing Souls. Dear friends, today first of all I want to thank you all so much for being such a support for me. Thank you dear friends for your love, support, your comments, your likes, subscriptions, shares. It really means a lot to me dear friends. So dear friends, today we are going to do a reading which is just a glimpse into the year 2021. For year 2021, dear friends, I am planning it like this, that we are going to do this year in detail for career, for relationships, and another reading is going to be posted for a detailed 2021. But for now I was feeling very excited and I wanted to just have a glimpse myself into the year 2021. So I prepared this small reading for you, which is just your glimpse, just to know what is there for you in year 2021. So here we have your 4 piles. This is pile number 1, pile number 2, pile number 3 and pile number 4. Take your time dear friends and choose your piles, and we are going to see what glimpse the angels, spirit guides, your loved ones, ancestors, God, universe, messages your higher self want to give for year 2021. They just want to show you what is coming in year 2021 for you. So dear friends, you can make your options from the top cards, whichever attracts you more, or you can check the timestamps. If you see the numbers, you can check the timestamps in the comment box. So I hope by now you must have selected your pile. So I'm keeping the pile number 4 aside. Pile number 3 also I'm keeping it aside. And pile number 2 also will keep it aside. So beginning with pile number 1. This is pile number 1, and everyone who chose pile number 1, we are going to see your messages. We are going to see the glimpse in year 2021 for you. Pile number 1, your first card is the Tower. Along with the 5 of Pentacles and the Ace of Wands. Dear friends, okay, let me see some more cards alongside. There's a month of December being highlighted over here, dear friends. Month of December. And cobweb, they say protected from negative forces beyond your control. Wow, protected from negative forces beyond your control. Yes. So this seems intense, dear friends. So I feel that already it is possible that a Tower situation, a sudden shocking situation, or a certain situation that was destructive, it can be in a relationship, in a health scenario, or a work scenario that has already happened with you or is now happening in the month of December for you. Or it is possible that you are going through a situation which came as a shock, as a sudden shock to you, wherein all that you were building came down, and this was very disheartening and shocking for you. So in a relationship scenario, it is possible that somebody's relationship went through a lot of fights and negative time, and so there was a breakup, there was a walking away, someone felt left out in a relationship, and might be the relationship has come to an end. In a health scenario, I can say that it is possible that some kind of an accident or some kind of a drastic health, something suddenly happened that somebody's health suffered because of that. Can be an accident or something for somebody who's seeing this pile. In a work scenario, it is possible that in 2020 you lost your job, and so you were feeling lack of finances. And for some other people who have chosen this pile, it can be a, a, a sudden death in the family of a parent or somebody, and so they feel a lack, and they're feeling very low. This can be their present scenario. Moving from the year 2020, I feel that this thing has already happened, or it is happening in the month of December, something like that, I feel. So, for another category of my friends who are into spirituality, it is possible that their body is going through a process of awakening, and in that process of awakening, they are feeling weak in their body. So, what is coming ahead for you, dear friends, in year 2021 is the Ace of Rods, which is the new beginning. This card is very hopeful card. This card tells us clearly that a new beginning, be it in your career, be it in your relationship, or be it in your health, or spirituality, or finances, there is a new opportunity which is coming towards you now, in the year 2020-21, which is going to take you out of this lack, this sadness, this loneliness that you have felt in year 2020. And so the month of December is evident over here. So dear friends, I feel that this scenario can happen in year 2020 December, that is in this month only. Something shocking can be revealed to you, and in year 2021 you are going to come out of this scenario. Over here they say protected from negative forces beyond your control. So yes, the Tower card definitely talks about some mishappening or some negative thing that has happened which was beyond your control. It can be a destruction that happened in somebody's building, or there is somebody who was asked to move out of their home and they feel homeless at present. Something happened which was very shocking and destructive for you, which is going to be healed in year 2020-21 for you. So for many of you, I feel that 2020 has been a very very tough year for you with regard to your health, your finances, your relationships. You felt left out, and 2021 is bringing a solid foundation for you, because here we have another Tower card, and this card in another deck talks of a solid foundation. So what is heading towards you, dear friends, is from the destructive tower you are moving to another solid tower, a solid foundation for you. So this can be building of a new home for somebody, a new office for somebody, a settlement in a new relationship, or a very solid health for yourself. If in past years you have felt there was something lacking in your legs, there you had gone through an accident or something in which you had problems in your legs, you are going to recover. In the year 2021, your bones are going to be very strong. You are going to be recovering from this health scenario which you were suffering. There's one card, dear friends, which says trust. So the angels are by your side, and they are telling you that just like this person has just left them up into the air, into the hands of the universe, and is trusting the universe for the divine plan. Because you're going through this negative scenario, the angels are really telling you that trust, we are planning good things for you in year 2021. And here another card of protected tells me that you are being protected. There's one card here which says protected from negative forces beyond your control. So there was a situation in a love scenario or a relationship scenario, there was a situation which was negative for you, from which you have walked away, and the universe is opening new ways, new doorways for you now. And that's what they say, you are safe and supported while you change your career. Yes, wow, wonderful. So this is a confirmation for somebody who is making a career change, who was most probably not having a job, or who absolutely felt a lack in their job. There is a new job, there is a new profession, there is a new business, there is altogether a new career change that is heading towards them. And this has been sent by the divine. It is a divine gift for you in year 2021, and the angels are saying you just trust on us. Come out of the mindset of the victim mentality. Yes, so this card clearly tells me that because of your sufferings, you have developed a victim mentality, and you need to take healings from our YouTube channel and come out of the victim mentality now. This is all your past. This has to end. So this kind, you felt like this, you felt so sad, you felt like this, you have absolutely felt what to do if you lost this relationship or you lost this job, you had a death in a family, loss of your partner, your parent, your child, somebody. You absolutely were broken, shattered, and the universe is saying that now we are going to bless you with another opportunity which is going to be better, best for you. And you please come out of this victim mentality, and you take your healings from our YouTube channel. You heal your heart chakra, you heal your um, uh, for the abundance, you take the abundance healings, and you are protected. You are going to safely come out of these situations, and then new opportunities. Even if somebody lost their child, that child is going to have a rebirth into the family. So they say bring love into the situation. So whatever situation that you are going through, new moon in Aquarius, bring love into the situation. If there has been a situation where you had lot many fights with your partner, or you have felt a lack in your love situation, the angels are telling you to heal this situation. You have to first heal yourself. You have to feel self love, you have to give love to yourself, and then you will be able to give love to others also. So you take the full moon healings and open your heart chakra. Wow, oh god, great. So we got an engagement card. So with this card, dear friends, I feel that there was a lack in a relationship that you were having with somebody. Somebody had a boyfriend girlfriend relationship which was lacking, which has come to an end, I think in December 2020, and the angels are clearly telling you to move on from this relationship, as you are going to get engaged with this new person who is entering into your life with a lot of passion and joy, with a vibrant energy. So the angel says your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. And if this was a lack in your married life, that you were having a lot of fights, this is going to be healed in year 2021. All the lack that you were feeling in your married life, when you had fights, your husband or wife were not paying attention to you, or there were other third party situations, you were feeling like a victim, you're going to come out of it. Your current relationship is going to heal. And this engagement card for people who are already in a married relationship tells me that you are going to have a better understanding in your married relationship, and you're going to sit together, talk about each other's interest, and rebuild a tower, rebuild your home, rebuild your relationship again now with a solid foundation. The third party situation is going to completely end, and you are going to be able to reignite the fire in your own relationship which you had with your husband or wife, and then your relationship is going to ascend to higher levels of commitment. And for the other people, boyfriend girlfriend situations where they were having an affair with lack, that is going to end, and a new person is going to come into your life who is going to bring you who is going to eventually have commitment and engagement with you. So this pile, the zodiac signs which are more evident are of Cancer, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus, Leo, Aquarius, Aries. Yes, dear friends. And Sagittarius, because the month of December is also there. So cornucopia, this is a beautiful card, dear friends. Cornucopia, look at the beauty in this card. This card, dear friends, says that all the efforts that you were putting in the year 2020 or even before that are going to reap their results in year 2021, dear friends. Because you were sowing the seeds. This is also number 11, which is again a protection from the angels, a confirmation from the angels that this is the energy you are going to move into. This is the energy of harvest. This is the energy of abundance. This is the energy of opportunities coming to you, be it in your love life relationship, be it in your career, be it in your health manifestation, be it in your spirituality or finances. I see that abundance is going to come to you in year 2021. For this pile number 1, this is very evident in this pile that pile number 1 has really suffered in year 2020. Something has happened in year 2020 which made them feel totally like a victim, and totally what can we do? They could not move out of home, they could not do anything inside their home. They have felt lonely, they have felt as if help is not coming to them from any areas. But see how they transition, the cards are changing. 2021, dear friends, is going to be beautiful for you, for the people in love relationships or singles. Your engagement is going to happen. For the people in married relationships, your marriage is going to ascend to another level. Financial abundance is coming for you. New careers opportunities are going to come, and you are protected as you make the career change. You have to trust in the divine and open your heart chakra, because in every situation they are saying bring love, come out of the victim mentality, take the healings. And the month of December, either 2021 December is important for you, or month of December 2020, already something is happening for you in 2020. And dear friends, protected from negative forces beyond your control. This is very beautiful. God, angels, divine are protecting you. I wish you all the best, dear friends, for year 2021. And dear friends, whoever chose pile number 1, we are going to see your career in detail. I'm going to make another video for pile number for everyone, and we are going to see your love life also in details, and there is going to be a detailed reading for 2021. So stay connected, subscribe to our channel, and so that you get notifications. So moving on to pile number 2, everyone who chose pile number 2, we are going to see now what is the glimpse in year 2021 for you. What is year 2021 bringing for everyone who chose pile number 2? Pile, oh my god, peeping out. Wheel of Fortune, lucky pile. Pile number 2, everyone who chose pile number 2 is the luckiest. Wow, you got the Wheel of Fortune. Your first card is the Wheel of Fortune, dear friends. Destiny taking a turn, destiny taking an uplift for you. When you were going down, you were putting your hard work, and now Jupiter is in your sign now and blessing you, expansion in all areas of your life. Beautiful. Along with the 3 of Cups. Oh my god, dear friends, what else we could have asked for? Is there a need to see any other cards? I'm feeling so joyous. 3 of Cups, dear friends, is a card of celebration. So anybody who chose pile number 2, right away I'm telling you that a big destiny event is going to happen for you in year 2021. If you are in a relationship, your marriage is going to happen. If you are a married couple, you are going to have a lot of joy in your family. uh, Even extended family, you're going to have parties, there are going to be reasons for celebrations. In a job, career, business scenario, you are absolutely going to make a lot of money. If you have suffered financially in year 2020, there are going to be opportunities of big money manifestations which are coming for you. All of the persons who have suffered health in past years are going to have a shift in their health and their energy. And the spiritual people are going to form their community, they are going to expand their work, maybe on social media, or maybe they are going to open institutes where people are going to come and learn from them. Beautiful, 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 financially very very abundant year for you. Children are going to have a very good result in their, if you have given your board exams, if you have given your any entrance exams, you are going to head towards celebrations. Beautiful. And Wheel of Fortune tells me that, you know, this luck has come to you after, say, a period of 12 years. You have really struggled, and now this luck has come to you. Time of celebration has come to you. Marriages are going to happen, celebrations are going to happen in the family, childbirth is going to happen. This is very beautiful time. Wow, we have the Fool card, dear friends. The Fool card showing your energy. There is a new beginning, carefree attitude, new beginning. Birth of a child is symbolic with this card, but definitely travel for some people, taking that leap of faith, jumping into unknown. With the Fool card, travel is on cards for somebody, settling in another countries, another states, new schools, new jobs, new partners, new life, newness. Energy of a child, enjoying everything thoroughly. Wonderful. There's a card of letting go, dear friends. Yes, of course, you are moving into this energies. I feel that in year 2020, you are letting go everything that does not serve you, or it can be a guidance for you in year 2021 that please let go things that do not serve you, so that you are able to move into this energy of Wheel of Fortune, Three of Cups, and the Fool. So, dear friends, this can be a guidance message from your divine, your loved ones, that you need to leave hold of the things that are dragging your energy. Cut your cords from people, places, and situations which are draining you, from the relationships that are not meant for you, from the works, businesses, professions which are not meant for you, which are not for your highest growth, from the friend circles that are not your soul friends. Just let go of your control, leave those situations, leave it to the divine, and new doors. See, the new doors of opportunities are opening for you, but you are feeling drained. It can be your energy of 2020. You've got to let go of whatever is not serving you. So you are being guided to take the forgiveness and letting go healing on our YouTube channel of Healing Souls. Forgiveness and letting go healing is very very important for you, so that you release what no longer serves you in the year 2021, because year 2021 is bringing big luck for you. A personal issue reaches resolution. Full moon in Cancer. Wow, beautiful. So there was a personal issue definitely which you need to let go, and that personal issue reaches a resolution. Wow, beautiful, beautiful, dear friends. Full moon in Cancer, and with this card, a very strong message came to me that it can be for a Cancer sign person. This reading is very, very evident, and I have been feeling that Cancer sign has really suffered in year 2020. So, for all my Cancerians, water signs, Scorpio, Piscean, a big shift in your destiny is happening. Aries, Sagittarius, people, Virgos, Yes, it is a big shift in your destiny that is going to happen for you in year 2021, and I'm very happy for you, dear friends. Healing family issues. Yes, of course, you have to let go. Some family issues you have to let go, which cannot be healed. You have to cut your cords with some family members, extended family, who are negatively influencing you, and a personal issue reaches solution. So if there was an issue in your family, yes, they say your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. Oh my god. So for some people, this is a very strong message that is coming for some people, that there can be an issue that you were holding very tight to your heart with your father or mother, and it can be so that they are not even with you now. Either they are living separately, or maybe they are in heaven, but you are holding some kind of grudges with your family members. Oh my god, this is so strong, and I'm feeling very emotional. You know why? Because see, forgiveness has come here. Your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. This is very emotional for some people. I don't know, I'm getting tears in my eyes. You need to take that forgiveness and letting go healing, dear friends. Very important, very important. For somebody, I feel that they have not even forgiven their parents after their death. This is, oh my god, this is very strong. Or it is possible that you had a major personal issue with your parents, or some parents had with their child, and now in year 2020-2021 this issue is going to be resolved. You are going to heal out of this situation of unforgiveness. Please, it's my humble request, pile number 2, because I was feeling so emotionally joyous to see these energies around you in year 2020-21. But I am encouraging you to please release these energies of forgiveness and let go of which does not serve you, the feelings of unforgiveness that you hold so tight with you with regard to your family members or any issue. Please, you this year 2020-21 you are going to heal these issues. School. This is so beautiful with the Fool card. So beautiful. But I don't know if it is going to be beautiful for everybody, because the school card can indicate that year 2021 some children will have to start their schooling, who were sitting at home and having good time at home, having their studies online. So somebody in pile number 2, it is possible the answer that you're seeking involves going to school. So this card has many meanings, dear friends. At the face of it, it is possible for some children who were because of COVID-19 situation, they were sitting at home with the Fool card. It is possible that a child is going to start going to school from year 2020-21, 2021. And for another category of some of my friends, they are going to admit their child into a new school, like the child, it's the first year of admission, getting them admitted into a play school or anything. And so there is going to be a change in your routine, and you will get more time with your friends and family, because your child is also started going to school. So you are going to feel light in your energy. For some of my other friends, if you want to pursue a change in your career, or you want to pursue a change towards spirituality, you can take classes on the courses that you want to do. So they say an answer to your what you're seeking involves going to school. So this schooling can be literally going to a school, or maybe taking some online classes from a teacher to the career that you want to pursue. So Wheel of Fortune in that case can extremely mean a change of your career line also for some people. Yes. So studies are going to be important for the people who are choosing pile number 2, and I feel that you are going to have a destiny shift. You are going to have very good marks results in your school. Fourth chakra Archangel Raphael. Fourth chakra talks of the heart chakra, dear friends. Yes, of course, 100%, 100%. So this my pile number 2, 2021 is going to be healing your heart chakra. Archangel Raphael is with you to heal these unforgiveness issues. You are going to heal your heart chakra. You are going to give yourself love, and you are going to be open to your community, your people, your mother, sisters, siblings, everybody. You are going to be healed totally. It is a beautiful year, dear friends. Soulmate connections are going to come into your life. Once you heal your relationships, you come out of the blocked energies in your heart because of unforgiveness, heart and mind. So you've got to take these healings, dear friends, for your third eye chakra, for your heart chakra, and open yourself to these new opportunities. Beautiful, dear friends. Pile number 2. So I did have a glance on two cards while I was reading. So pile number 2, I want to tell you that there is a journey and a vacation being planned for you. So okay, I'm not picking up this pile right now. Pile number 2, in year 2020-21, if you were planning for a journey, a settlement to another country, or to go for a vacation to another country or state, there is a beautiful vacation being planned for you. So with that, I conclude. Thank you very much, dear friends. So moving on to pile number 3 now. So this is pile number 3, and everyone who chose pile number 3, we are going to see your energies and the messages that the divine wants to give to pile number 3 for the glimpse into your year 2020-21. Okay, pile number 3. Okay. So pile number 3, your first card is that of the world. The world, dear. Pile number 3. You are completing something major, one life chapter in year 2020-21. There is a completion that is heading in year 2020-21. This is beautiful energy, dear friends. Another card we have is the 3 of Swords in reverse. This is beautiful. So, dear friends, to get the card of 3 of Swords in reverse is very beautiful, because it clearly tells me that the swords are now coming out of your heart and you are healing your heart chakra. So the year 2020-21, dear friends, anybody or any situation which gave you heartbreak, you are going to come out of that situation. You are heading to a new life chapter altogether, which is going to be healing for your heart. All the heartbreaks in your relationships, in your career, in your health, in your spirituality, in your finances are now for the past, and they are never going to happen in your future, because year 2020-21 brings a great hope of healing for you. Your heart chakra is going to heal in year 2020-21. You are going to no more are you going to feel a victim, and never ever you are going to go back to your past and think of the people, situations or places which gave you so much heartache. Beautiful. The world card, dear friends, tells me that a new chapter in your life is beginning. If you were in school, you are going to head into college. If you were doing a certain job, then it is possible that you completely change your line of job, career, or there can be a job change. There can be a change of job into career, profession, business, something which is absolutely change. It is possible that you were pursuing some other kind of career before, and now you come into spirituality. For some category of my people who are wishing for travel and settling to another country and looking for chances, this is a third time this opportunity can come into your life, and it is going to the opportunity of manifestation is going to come third time into your life, and you are going to be able to manifest the move to another countries or a state wherever you wanted to move. Somebody's health, definitely, if you're healing your heart chakra. And also for somebody, if you suffered from a mild heart attack or some problem related to your heart, that is going to be solved in year 2021. You are going to come out of the ailments that were related to your heart. All the heartbreaks of finances, for financially this year looks very very prosperous for my dear friends, and spiritually you are going to heal somebody's heart as well, heal your own heart. This is beautiful energy. So we have the star card over here, dear friends. The star card clearly tells me that name, fame and recognition is heading towards you. So in year 21, dear friends, 2021, you are going to do something. I feel with the world card, you are going to connect with the people of another countries through internet or media, or maybe in your work, and you are going to gain a lot of recognition. You are going to come in public eye. You're going to become a star. Name, fame, recognition. People are going to look up to you because your heart chakra is open. You are open to new relationships now. So a lot of fame is heading towards you. Star card. Healing. It's a card of healing. It's a card of you coming into limelight. It's a card of being recognized for your efforts. This is very beautiful energy, dear friends. There's another card which says success. Oh my god. Pile number 3, if I said pile number 2 was luckiest, you are equally lucky in the year 2021. Pile number 3, you are very lucky. You are very lucky. Pile number 3, success is heading towards you in the year 2021. Success, dear friend, success. Name, fame, recognition. Yes, the fame card with the success card. Oh my god, with the completion. Whatever you are completing, you are going to complete it with lot of name, fame and recognition. Some of you can also be awarded, I feel. Marriage is heading into the life of some people. Yes, success. If you were looking for marriage settlements, yes, somebody is getting married, engaged. Somebody is having a childbirth, and so this child is bringing success into their life. Yes, new chapter is beginning in your life. Some people can also get retired and enjoy their success now. They can have wealth. Wow, we got the card of wealth. Wow. Oh my god, dear friends, this heartbreak, you're coming out of it, and wealth is coming into your life. Lot of money and wealth. You can expect 2021 as a year of abundance for you. Wealth is coming into your life, dear friends. So this can be heredity money, or this can be through the new job, career, profession option that you are choosing, or somebody is gifting you wealth, dear friends. Yes, we have a new job and career. Definitely. For some of my friends, a new job or career or a movement to another country is going to give you such a huge package that is going to absolutely, make you abundant. And miracles are manifested through the heart chakra. So once your heart chakra is healed, you're opening yourself to miracles now, dear friends. Miracles are manifesting into your life. This is so beautiful, dear friends. Playing it safe. So if you will see this card, dear friends, you will see that this woman is just sitting in her garden being very bored, and she is not looking to the other beautiful avenues, beautiful opportunities, beautiful nature that is outside of her home. So with this card, playing it safe, I feel the message from divine is for you to not play it safe this year. Come out of your playing safe mentality. So in order to achieve success, in order to achieve name, fame, recognition, money, wealth, you have to open up. Wow. synchronicities, dear friends. Step out of your comfort zone. North Node, yes, exactly what I felt with this card. So you have to open up and come out of your comfort zone in order to achieve this success, becoming a star, in order to have a new job, career, wealth, marriage, childbirth, whatever. You are just playing it very safe. You're playing very low. You are not small, dear friends. Your personality is that of a lion. You are vibrant. You are made to shine. You are a superstar. Don't play safe. For years, you have been like this. You have hidden your personality. You are. My pile number 3 people are such that they are beautiful, they are intelligent, they are everything. They are a great package, but because some other people feel that they are a threat, and they are such loving people that they put their energy low. They are always showing themselves to be less than what they are. Pile number 3, no. Your heart chakra is healed now. Come into your radiant, charismatic personality. You are not going to show yourself to be less than what you are. You know internally that you are a superstar. You are a rock star. You rock. Year 2020-21, you have to shine your personality. You have to show your real self to everybody. It really doesn't matter if the jealous people hate you. They are supposed to be out of your life. And do not downplay, dear friends. You are charismatic. Come out of this mentality of playing it safe. No, when you will open up, it is going to be safe. You are safe and protected from divine. Step out of your comfort zone now. Come out of your home now. Come out of your comfort zone into the public eye, into the world, into the people of another countries. Grow. Growth is looking for you. You are going to shine. The goddess of moon. Yes, dear friends. Some of my friends who are spiritual healers are so intuitive, are so well connected with the moon energy. This is a beautiful energy. For some people, they are going to absolutely have such high intuitions. They are going to be such good spiritual healers. Moon energy clearly tells me that you are beautiful, you are connected to divine, you are getting your energies from the universe, from moon, from angelic realm. You are beautiful inside out. You have a healing heart to offer to the world. You are a Libran, you are an Aquarius person, you are a Gemini person, you are a Cancerian person, a Piscean person, you are a Leo person. You are beautiful. You are beautiful inside out. And yes, you're on the right path. Wow. So dear friends, whatever you have been doing in year 2020 for the manifestation of this abundance into your life of wealth, of prosperity, of name, fame, recognition, of good loving relationships, you are on the right path, dear friends. Keep doing what you're doing because it's working. Wow, what a confirmation in the year 2020 itself from your angels, guides, Holy Spirits, and sisters, your deceased loved ones in heaven, that go ahead with whatever you are doing. You're on the right path. You are healing your heart chakra. You're coming out of the shadow part. You're coming into the name, fame, recognition. Don't play it safe. Come out of your comfort zone. Show the real self. Take off that mask wherein you keep quiet. You don't even want to express to people your true feelings. So here another card says getting to know each other. So it can be related to somebody who is checking this reading for the relationships. If there is a person who heads into your life, with this person your relationship can become strong. As you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. So this can be for a particular relationship scenario, or it can be generally for the people that you meet in year 2021, because I feel that this people in this pile have played it very safe. For years they have not interacted with their soul community. They have kept themselves close from their family, from their friends, from their close communities, because they felt that they were being judged. Even they are naturally beautiful people, beautiful inside out. They have a charisma about them. They are so strong. Their vibration is just like a superstar that they downplay it, and people around them are so jealous of them that they have accepted this mentality of downplaying every time and keeping themselves on a side only now. But no, dear friends, your heart chakra is healed, and now you're going to connect with the right kind of people, and these right kind of people, you can reveal your innermost selves to them, and your bond is going to deep with this community of people. For my spiritual healers, the people who are coming into your life, or with a partner who is coming towards you, this person, with this person, if you're going to open your true self, you are going to have a very strong bond. And in a love and a marriage relationship, if you are in a married relationship already, you are being guided to reveal your innermost self with your partner, and so your bond is going to deepen with them. Pile number 3, I can't tell you how strongly I feel for this pile, that you are not today, you have been a rock star through and through. Might be in your childhood or in your adulthood, you went through some situations and you needed healing. You have healed your heart chakra, and now you are going to come into limelight. You are beautiful people inside out, and my humble request to you is to shine your light in year 2020-21. You are being absolutely guided to be yourself, be there. Right kind of people and community is going to come towards you. It can be in the country you live, or in another country, or the community you are interacting with. This is big for you, dear friends. This year 2020-21 is big for you, dear friends. I wish you all the best. So moving on to pile number 4, the last pile now, and we are going to see what glimpse of year 2020-21 your angels, guides, holy spirits, your higher self wants to give to you. Year 2020-21 glimpse for you. Your first card, dear friends, is the Lovers. Alongside we have the card of the Seven of Swords. We have another card, dear friends, which says broken ring, parting of ways in either romance or business. Parting of ways in either romance or business. Yes. And then we have another card which says solid foundation, success with efforts. Solid foundation, success with efforts. Okay, dear friends, let me just talk about these energies for you. So the Lover's card in a relationship scenario tells me that this is a relationship between two soulmates, which is blessed by the divine, by the angels. So it is possible that there was a loving relationship. Yeah, there is a loving relationship between two persons, and there has been a third party situation in this relationship. One of your partner is cheating. Either your partner is cheating, or there is a situation of cheating, betrayal that has happened in this relationship, which is really hurting you, and you want to come out of this situation. In year 2020-21 you are going to come out of the situations of betrayal, cheating. It is also possible that one of the partner is just running away from this relationship, just not giving time because of their own personal reasons. Might be they want to give more time to their career, might be they have their own issues in family which they want to deal. So this lovers, this soulmate relationship is suffering because one of the partner is just wishing some time or to run away from the relationship. Okay, so for some people in year 2020-21, if there was a relationship in which there was cheating, betrayal, backstabbing happening, that relationship is going to end in year 2021, because a card here clearly says broken ring, parting of ways in either romance or business. So exactly in a love or relationship scenario, if there was a third party situation, either that third party is going to have a broken ring, they are going to move away from your partner, or you are going to decide to come out of the relationship of cheating and betrayal. Okay, then we have another card which says Tower, solid foundation, success with the efforts. Yes. So if for a soulmate relationship, in a married relationship or a love relationship where you absolutely had a blissful relationship with your partner, but because of somebody is cheating, somebody is just piling on to your partner, something went wrong in this relationship, with your love, your endurance, with your strength, with your courage, you are going to bring your partner back to yourself. And again, this tower that was breaking is going to again have a solid foundation and success with your divine efforts for somebody. For a job, career, and business scenario, dear friends, I feel that there is somebody who is looking for options to run away from a career, from a job, from a business or a professional scenario where they feel that their ideas are being their ideas are being stolen from other people around them, where they feel that they do not have soulmate good connections with their colleagues who are always bitching around their back. And so this kind of a person is looking for opportunities, and you are going to have in year 2020-21, you are going to have many offers, many options to come out of this, to break, to part away from this business or this work scenario, and to build your own solid structure. For some people, I clearly feel that you were in a partnership business with somebody, but it was a negative environment for you because you were not given any appreciation for your efforts, and you do not feel a divine connection with somehow your partner is not your soulmate, you feel. And now you get an opportunity and you part away from this business, and you are going to open your own business, you are going to build a solid foundation for yourself, and you are going to be successful with your own efforts. Literally, it is a possible that for somebody you are going to have a building or a hotel or something you are going to build. It is going to be a building business, something you are going to build, or a business of jewelry, rings, or something where you are going to be successful for yourself. For somebody who was really in their career, they were looking for other job opportunities. Yes, you're going to get opportunities to move to another job or profession which is going to be your soul mission, which gives you happiness, which you've always wanted to do. For somebody, there is a card of a child over here, dear friends. For somebody, I feel that a birth of child is going to happen when they undergo an operation, they undergo knife, or with the help of someone else. Like a birth of child can happen with surrogacy or with IVF or something. You can bring a child into your life, Yes, with the help of someone else. With the help of someone else, you will be able to manifest the birth of child into your family. Yes. Uh, for somebody, I feel that they will be birthing a child and giving to someone else. They will be birthing a child and giving to someone else in their family, because the other couple is unable to have their own child, so you are going to gift them this, and you are going to help them have a solid foundation. Yes. Yes, in a health scenario, I feel that somebody is going to have an operation of their heart. An operation of their heart is going to happen. You are going to have, you are an operation of eyes for somebody. Take care of your eyes, kidneys. Yes, for somebody, it is very important to get a whole body checkup done and see what you need to get operated for. Okay. Beyond illusion. Beyond illusion. Yes, dear friends. So, for some people, I feel that they have to absolutely listen to their intuition. They have to come out of their situation wherein they know there is a cheating happening around them, there is a situation of theft, betrayal. Somebody is absolutely taking their ideas and opening their own channels, opening their own, they are doing something like that which is a cheating for you, which is like a theft for you, but you have closed your eyes on that. No, year 2020-21, you have to see beyond your illusions, open your third eye. For some people, their third eye, their intuition is absolutely going to open. For the spiritual people, yes, you are going to open your third eye and you are going to come out of this fake life. The fake life, you are going to cut your cords from the fake people, the people who were cheating you, who were betraying you, and you are going to do a lot of meditations, and you are going to open up your third eye and see what guidance messages the universe wants to give to you. Action card, dear friends. Yes, it's time for action. 2020-21 is not going to be a slow moving year for you where you are going to just sit at home and not do anything. This is a time for action, to do things that you have been wishing for. You have to come out of your illusions now, see the reality. If the relationship that you are in is fake, just break that relationship, come into another relationship which is more fruitful and balanced for you. If you are in a job, work, profession, business scenario where you were keeping your eyes closed on whatever things were happening when you were working hard, but the money was going to someone else, you have to come out of that, take actions. And you have to take action on your health scenario also. In spirituality, you have to absolutely cut your cords and protect yourself from the people who are not your soul connections. And if it is for any financial investment, you have to really look in your options very carefully, because there is a chance of theft happening. For finances in year 2020-21, for somebody, I want to say that it is very important for you. There are chances of theft being which can happen for your jewelry, for your finances, for your investments, in your house, in your job. Be very careful. Don't close your eyes. Be careful of the people you are keeping in your house as help, or as your partners, or the lovers who are coming into your life. Be very careful, dear friends. Take time to breathe on. Yes, exactly. So, even in this card, this person is trying to open their third eye crown chakra, trying to connect with the divine. And here they say, take time to breathe out. Yes, dear friends, you are being guided to do meditations, do some breathing exercises, relax. In the year 2020-21, you are going to get a lot more into the mode of peace. You are going to search all the answers from inside of you, from the divine, from the universe that is inside of you. I see many of you moving into meditations, yogas, healings in year 2020-21. Breathing exercises are going to help your health also, dear friends. Flirt. For the people who are in relationships, there is a guidance message for you. Extend your light-hearted energies to others. Yes. So it is possible that you are keeping your swords around you and you are being very guarded. So you need to open your heart chakra in year 2021 and flirt. Flirting is just extending your light-hearted energies to other people around you. It can be in a relationship in a scenario, or just if even if you are husband and wife and you have become too much career oriented and too much family oriented work, this that, you just open some light hearted energy around you to manifest other good things also in your life. Ascendant masters. This card is very beautiful, dear friends. Ascendant masters in the universe are at a very high frequency. So I feel that this is a group of some of my friends who are going to absolutely change their careers, or they are going to move into spirituality. Definitely. This is a group of my friends who can most probably shift from their careers, businesses, professions into spirituality, and ascendant masters are working with you to manifest greatest things in your life, like God, uh, any God you believe, then our gurus, um, angels, archangels, any deity that you believe in is by your side in year 2020-21. You are very well protected, dear friends. Yes, we got a support card. Yes. Support card, dear friends, clearly tells me your life purpose fully supports you. Yes, for very strong message for somebody who has chosen pile number 4. I think there is a shift in their career. They are moving from whatever work they were doing, they are moving into spirituality, and they are being supported in this move. Their career move or their life purpose is to be with the people who are their soulmates from this life or past life, maybe. And there is a lot of, see, the energies transiting over here, dear friends. I feel that a lot of peace, calm, harmony is going to come into your life when you will start to meditate, you will start to take healings, you will start to connect with the divine. This is a year of healing. You are going to come out of these cheating people, these scenarios of people, places, situations which have cheated on you, betrayed on you. You are going to come out of this scenario now towards peace and calmer times. You are going to move into spirituality. This is my pile number 4. Heading towards light-hearted energy, looking for all the answers inside of them, taking actions for the things that were stagnant in year 2021. Beautiful energies for you, dear friends. I wish you all the best. Lots of love and best wishes for everyone who chose pile number 4. You are being recommended to start with meditations and breathing practices for good health. So I want to thank everybody for coming here. Thank you very much, dear friends. Lots of love and best wishes to all of you.